Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to enable echo cancellation on Discord, because when we're talking in our servers, there is a lot of people who have echoes and maybe you haven't turned on, so you won't be heard in an echo. So today I'm going to teach you how to turn that on, and that's about it. So first we need to go to our Discord profile. We're going to need to click on the bottom right corner, this little icon with our little profile picture, and that will bring us here. And once we get here, we're going to need to scroll down and get to app settings, and then we have voice. We're going to need to click on the voice icon, and the first thing that shows up is input, output, and then we have voice processing. So processing, sorry. The first thing that shows up is echo cancellation. So we're going to flip the switch, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.